Dogs are like family members, and we want to make sure that they're eating the best food possible to keep them healthy and happy. Today I'm going to answer the question of whether or not dogs can eat pomegranate and, if so, what are the benefits. Hey there, my name is Jason, and welcome to our channel, Superfoods and Health. Before getting started, cue the intro. In this video, I'm answering one of the most commonly asked questions when it comes to our furry friends: can dogs eat pomegranate? You might be surprised at just how beneficial this little fruit can be for your pup. So stay tuned, and I'll show you all how to incorporate it into their diet. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do now and hit the bell icon to get notifications about interesting videos like this. Today's video concluded in two main segments, which are: Segment number 1. Can your dog eat pomegranate? Segment number 2. What are the benefits and risks of pomegranate extract for dogs? Alright, let's start. Number 1. Can your dog eat pomegranate? As you know, pomegranate is a sweet and juicy fruit that is widely enjoyed by people all over the world. However, while it is delicious to eat, many people wonder if their dogs can have pomegranate as well. The answer to this question is yes, your dog can enjoy pomegranates just like you do, but there are some important things to keep in mind. So, pomegranates are a great fruit to give your dog for all these reasons. However, it's important to remember that pomegranate seeds can be a choking hazard for dogs. Also, the seeds contain compounds called alkaloids that can cause severe gastrointestinal distress in your dog if ingested. Therefore, it is always a good idea to remove all of the seeds from the pomegranate before giving it to your dog. This will help keep them safe and healthy as they enjoy their juicy treat. You can also buy pomegranate juice that doesn't have any seeds in it. Just make sure to check the labels carefully to make sure there are no added sugars or other ingredients that could be harmful to your dog. One of the key things to keep in mind when feeding your dog pomegranate is moderation. So, when feeding your dog pomegranates, start with small amounts and see how they react. While this fruit is healthy for dogs in small amounts, it does contain compounds that could be harmful if given too frequently or in large amounts. Some dogs may be allergic to pomegranate, so it's always best to err on the side of caution. Make sure to keep an eye on them for any signs of discomfort. If your dog suffers any side effects or seems uncomfortable after you give them pomegranate, stop feeding it to them right away. With adequate precautions and proper use, though, pomegranates can be a delicious addition to your dog's diet. Overall, if you follow these simple guidelines and stick to small amounts of pomegranate, your dog can enjoy all of the benefits that this tasty fruit has to offer. So, if you're looking for a healthy and delicious way to treat your best friend, then why not try serving them some pomegranate? Your pup is sure to love it. Number 2. What are the benefits and risks of pomegranate extract for dogs? Benefits. 1. Antioxidant properties. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, which help protect your dog's body from free radicals and other harmful compounds. This can help your dog stay healthy and prevent diseases like cancer and heart disease. 2. Improved digestive function. The high fiber content in pomegranate seeds can help improve your dog's digestion and keep their bowel movements regular. This is especially helpful if your dog suffers from constipation or diarrhea or has sensitive stomachs. 3. Joint health. Pomegranates can also help improve your dog's joint health. The antioxidants in pomegranate can help reduce inflammation and pain in the joints. This is especially beneficial for older dogs, who are more susceptible to arthritis and other joint problems. 4. Cancer prevention. The antioxidants in pomegranate may also help prevent cancer. Studies have shown that pomegranate can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even kill them outright. This makes it a great fruit to include in your dog's diet if you're worried about cancer risks. 5. Enhanced immunity. The vitamin C content in pomegranate can help boost your dog's immune system. This means they'll be better able to fight off infections and diseases. Risks. There are a few risks to consider when feeding your dog pomegranate extract, the most important of which is a blockage. Pomegranate seeds can easily become lodged in your dog's intestines, causing an obstruction that will need to be surgically removed. Similarly, the husk and pulp of the fruit can also cause problems, if swallowed whole. This can lead to GI upset, and potentially gastrointestinal blockages. Another thing to consider is that pomegranates are fairly high in sugar. While this isn't typically a problem for healthy dogs, it could cause issues for those with diabetes or other conditions that make them sensitive to sugar. As always, it's best to talk to your veterinarian before making any changes to your dog's diet. Lastly, some dogs may be allergic to pomegranates. While this is relatively rare, it's still something to be aware of. Signs of an allergic reaction include vomiting, diarrhea, and hives. If you notice any of these symptoms in your dog after feeding them pomegranate, stop giving it to them right away, and talk to your vet about alternative treatment options. Overall, while pomegranate extract can provide a number of health benefits for dogs, there are also a few risks to consider. As with anything, it's always best to talk to your veterinarian before making any changes to your dog's diet. This way, you can make sure that pomegranate is the right fruit for your furry friend. So, there you have it. All you need to know about feeding pomegranates to your dog. Remember to start with small amounts and always consult with your veterinarian first if you have any concerns. With proper precautions, pomegranates can be a healthy and delicious treat for your four-legged friend. So go ahead and let them enjoy all the benefits of this delicious superfood today. So, hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, please give us a thumbs up and let us know your comments. Thanks for watching this video.